Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Oloshola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can successfully send money from your Transferwise account or withdraw money from your Transferwise account to your US bank account. Okay, so if you have a US bank account and you want to withdraw money from your Transferwise account, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. And if also you want to send money abroad, or probably you have a client that you want to pay with your Transferwise account, you can use this same procedure to send and withdraw money from your Transferwise account. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Payoneer account to withdraw my money from Transferwise. Okay, so before we get started, let me quickly give us a brief understanding on what Transferwise is. Now Transferwise is a payment platform that lets you set up an international bank account and let you send money abroad and at the same time receive money from abroad. Okay, so if you are yet to have a Transferwise account, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to create an account for you. I've also created a video on how to set up a Transferwise account. I'm also going to add the video at the description of the video, so after this video you can as well go to the description of the video, check out the video and set up an account for yourself if you are yet to have an account. So like I said, I'm going to be using my Payoneer account to withdraw the money in my own Transferwise account, and you can use this process to send money to your friends and family abroad or withdraw the money in your Transferwise to your personal bank account. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Now what you need to do now is to head over to Transferwise and log into your account. Okay, I'm logged into the account I'm going to be sending the money from. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to sign into my Payoneer account and get my account details so I can easily withdraw the money from my Transferwise account to my Payoneer bank account. So once the money lands in my Payoneer bank account, I can now send them directly to my local bank account. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to get the bank details I want to send the money to from my Payoneer account. Okay, so this is the account I'm going to be using, so I'm going to get the details right here. All right, so I'm going to head over to Transferwise. Now this is my Transferwise account and this is the money I want to withdraw. Okay, so what you simply want to do right here is to click on this US balance. Okay, so once you click on the US balance, you're going to see this option, add, convert, then send USD. So what you want to do now is click on send USD. Okay, so once you click on send USD, it's going to prompt you to indicate the amount of money you want to send. Okay, so I'm going to be sending all the amounts of money in this account. Okay, so what I want to do now is click on continue. Okay, so once I click on continue, it's going to ask me if I'm sending this money to my business, someone, or business or charity. Okay, so what I'm going to be clicking is someone else. Okay, so after you click that, it's going to ask for the details of the account holder you want to send the money to. Okay, so if you are sending money to your friends and family, all you simply need to do is enter their bank details here, and if you are sending this money to yourself, all you simply need to do is enter your personal bank account. Okay, so like I said, I'm sending the money to my own account in Payoneer, so I'm going to get my bank details in Payoneer and enter it here. Okay, so the email is actually optional, but then you need to put the account holder name. Okay, so to get the account holder name, what I simply need to do is copy it from Payoneer, then paste it here. Okay, so recipient country is going to be US. Okay, so city, let's check for city. Now the city is North Carolina here. Then the address, so let me quickly copy the address here, bank address. I'm going to copy it, then paste it here. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the postal code. I'm simply going to cut this, then paste the zip code here. Then okay, I think the state should be North Carolina. Okay, so this is the state, then this is going to be the city, Charlotte. So let me cut that, then put that here. Okay, so after that, what you want to do now is the bank account country obviously is going to be United States, then the routing number. Okay, so I'm going to come here to get my routing number, which is this. Copy this, then paste the routing number here. Okay, now the next thing is to copy the actual account number. Okay, I'm going to copy the actual account number, then paste it here. Okay, so account type, obviously the account type is checking. Then come back here, then click checking. Now after I've clicked the checking, now the next thing I have to click right now is to confirm the payment. Now before you confirm, you can actually go through it to be sure that what you enter is actually correct. Okay, so once you are sure what you enter is correct, now the next thing you need to do is click the confirm button. Okay, so I'm clicking the confirm button now, and it's going to ask me to verify the account, to verify the money I'm sending. Okay, so the name of the account is correct. The routing number, now the routing number is correct, and the account number is correct. So I think I'm good to go. Okay, so if you want to add any reference to the person you are sending the money to, if you are sending money to someone else, okay, so you can easily enter the reference here. Okay, so since I'm sending the money to myself, I don't need to enter any reference. So now what I want to do now is click accept the terms, then confirm and send the money to myself. Okay, so I'm going to click confirm and send. All right, so as you can see now, the money is now sending, and this is the actual money I send, and this is the recipient's account, and this is the total amount of money I'm going to get when the money hits my Payoneer bank account. Okay, so your transfer has started, your money is on its way, and it should arrive by April 15th. We'll keep you posted. So once the money lands in my account, I'm going to receive an email from Transferwise. So if you want to track the payment you send, you can simply click track your transfer, and from here you can monitor how the money is being sent. Okay, so as you can see, you set up your transfer, so your money is being processed, so you will pay it out in the next 8 hours. All right guys, so this is basically how you can send money from your Transferwise account to your bank account, or pay your clients or friends and family, or withdraw money from your Transferwise account to your personal bank account. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting the channel, please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.